I'm Ron with ASC Heating and Air. Thanks for visiting our installation page. When you need a central air unit, we know you want the job done right and we're on your side. Everything we do is to protect your home and your family while we perform the type of work we've become known and trusted for. Here are a few reasons to trust ASC. All of our installers are registered with the state of Texas. Each installer has passed the EPA certification exam to be able to work on any type of HVAC unit. Between us, we carry 15 different industry certifications. We have certified HVAC educators working with us to make sure our men are up to standard with modern HVAC training. We have a property protection guarantee. We carry a $1 million insurance liability policy, so you are protected above and beyond the standards for HVAC contractors across the nation. We can install any type or brand of central air unit for you. Call us now for an estimate. You have several options, and we are here to help you find what's best for your budget and your situation. We have installers on standby, ready to get to work.